Mikudo zono vite gunumbele na mitiru to azengbe tonji me to bodo when no mi ton koja Amos Malku. Welcome, my name is Koja Amos Malku and I'm glad to have you here this moment. So our focus today is going to be on the vowels that we have in the Ogbol alphabet. Generally we have 12 vowels in the Ogbol language, but then we have 7 as part of the Ogbol language alphabet. Before we dive in, depending on the platform you're watching this particular video, we would like you to follow us or subscribe to our channel, and also don't forget to like our videos because more are still coming. Alright, in the Ogbol alphabet we have 7 vowels, and here are the 7 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. So those are the 7 letters that are selected from the Ogbol alphabet to form the oral vowels. Now, I made mention of the fact that we have 12 vowels in the Ogbol language. Now, here are the 12 vowels, as you can see them on the screen. So we have 2 categories. The category 1 is called oral vowels, and the category 2 is called nasal vowels. So the reason for this is because of the way these vowels are pronounced. The first category that we have as oral vowels are the ones that are selected from the Ogbol alphabet, while the second categories are formed using some letters from the oral vowels and N was added to them. The nasal vowels, we have A, E, Now let's read them together. So first of all, we're going to read the oral vowels. So let's start. A. If I pronounce any vowel, you pronounce it after me. Alright? Now let's go there. A. E. E. I. O. U. So those are the oral vowels. Now let's move to the nasal vowels. As in ota, ta. It means story in English language. As in oten. It means space in English. As in sincere. It means worship in English. Nyeton. That's mine, my own in English. And the last one, tundote. Tundote. It means deliverance. Those are the vowels that we have in the Ogbol language. So these vowels are used in combination with the consonants to form different words, and at times the vowels are used in isolation to form different words that we have in the Ogbol alphabet. So we're going to stop here today, and in the next episode we're going to talk about different consonant sounds and how to actually master the pronunciation of these consonants. Until we meet next time, bye for now. This is Nzande.